Hello, I'm going to show anyone who doesn't know how to do it, how to produce an audiobook using a text-to-speech program. I'm using text aloud. You can use any text-to-speech software that you like. There are a few out there. One of them, Balaborka, seems very comprehensive, though I have not used it much. I have tried pasting a text aloud file into Balaborka, but it didn't work. Well, I have written a very short story to show how text aloud works. I will show the listing and you can pause the video to study it. I will go through some of the operations. 1. To insert a pause, place the cursor where you want the pause and right-click and select Insert Pause and select your length of pause. 2. To change a voice, place the cursor where you want a new voice, select Insert Voice Change and choose the voice to use. 3. You can also change the way some words are spoken by adding commas. For example, Kate size opened wide. Kate size opened wide. I think you will agree, the pronunciation is better in the second case. In this story, I use 4 voices: Karen, Kate, Tom and myself, Daniel.
Hi, my name is Karen, and I play Karen in the story. I am Australian.
Hi, my name is Kate, and I play Kate in the story. I am British.
Hi, my name is Tom, and I play Tom in the story. I am an American.
Hi, I'm Daniel, and as you already know, I'm British. Now on with the story. It was a bright sunny day in July. Tom rose from his chair and stretched. He had dropped off. He looked around for Karen, but she was nowhere to be seen. He headed for the kitchen. Tom opened the kitchen door and entered the room to find Kate with a knife in her hand. Tom looked at her and said,
"What are you doing for supper, Karen?"
Karen looked up from her chopping.
I thought I would make a chicken dinner.
Tom nodded.
That would be great. Would you like a hand cutting the vegetables?
Karen looked at Tom.
Thank you, Tom, but I have just about finished. You can make the gravy later.
Okay, sweetie, will do. I will go and wash the car.
Righto, Tom, but your supper will be ready in about an hour.
Tom nodded, turned on his heel, and left the room. Karen smiled and said to herself, quietly, under her breath,
How happy that man makes me. I love him so much.
But little did Karen know that Tom was hiding a dark, sinister secret. Chapter 2. Kate looked up from her book to see Tom standing in the doorway.
Tom, so you managed to get away.
Tom smiled and nodded.
Yes, I told the old bat I was going to clean the car. She's cooking supper. She will be busy for a while.
Oh, Tom darling.
Kate swooned.
When are you going to tell her? She needs to know. I am fed up of waiting.
When I tell her, there will be hell to pay, and don't forget she has control of the money.
Well, Tom, I am not going to wait forever. What do you intend to do?
Well,
Tom's face darkened as he sat beside Kate, who had now moved to the couch.
I think I have to get rid of her.
Tom put his finger on Kate's chin. He brushed his lips against hers and mumbled.
Permanently.
Kate's eyes opened wide, and as she grabbed Tom's hand,
Do you mean?
Kate squeezed Tom's hand, and her head dropped. Tom felt her shudder.
No, we can't. Karen's been my friend for years. I couldn't dream of harming her.
If we want to be together, and have the money, Karen must have an accident.
To be continued. I will put this text file in the comments section. If you have text aloud, you can copy and paste it in, but don't forget, if you haven't got the voices, you will need to change them to ones you have got. Thank you for watching.